Hello everyone. Today we are going to study a new chapter, that is clock. This is very important chapter. So let's see the questions based on clock. At 8:20 p.m. they ask you, right? This is 12, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, this is 11, right? At 8:20 means 8 and 20. At this time they ask you the difference between the angle. Okay, so at 8 a.m. the hour hand should be exactly at 8 p.m. the hour hand should be exactly on 8, but because this 20 minutes ahead, so it had already traveled some distance, and in which direction it will travel? In this direction, right? So this need to be how much? 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30. Actually it need to be 120 degree. 30 plus 30 60, 60 plus 30 90, 90 plus 30 120 degree. But as this 20 minutes, this will move somewhere here ahead. So somewhere here means this you have to calculate. So we know that in 1 minute our hand travel half degree. So in 20 minutes it will travel more 10 degree, right? So 10 degree it had shifted here. So the new angle will be what? Plus 10. Plus 10, this is 130 degree. Okay, the difference between hour hand and minute hand will be 130 degree. Okay, let's solve next question. So this is the question. They ask you the difference between hour hand and minute hand at 4:40. Make a clock, right? 4:40, that means here is 4, here is 40. Okay, so this 4 exactly when this hour hand will be at 4 and there is 4 p.m. But as this move ahead 50 minutes it move ahead minute hand, so this hour hand also moved ahead, right? It moved in which direction? This direction, right? So this angle will be reduced somewhere. So earlier what angle need to be means on assumption it should be 30 plus 30, that is 60, 90, 120, 150 and 180, right? But as this our hand will move in this direction and the distance will be reduced. The distance will be reduced, so how much it will reduce? So you know that in 1 minute the our hand move half degree, right? So in 40 minutes it will move what? 20 degree. In 20 degree in this direction, so earlier it was 180, so 20 degree will be reduced, right? Because this is moving in this direction. So how much degree it will be? 160, right? Because 20 degree you will separate it. So 160 will be the difference between them. Okay, so this is how you need to solve. This is the question: at what time there will be 0 degree angle between 6 and 7 p.m. Okay, so first I like to tell you that 0 degree means what? They are overlapping on each other. So how many times this happen in 1 hour? Only one time in 1 hour. So in 24 hours, how many times this will happen? It will not happen 24 times, it will happen 22 times. Okay, you can check it, you can take a clock, remove itself and place it like this on 12 12 and 1 1, like this. So you will find there is only 22 times, not 24 times. On the similar basis, if I ask you 30 degree, so 2 times in 1 hour, right? 130, this will another 30. This will be what? This will be 180, right? So this cannot be. This either and this either. So 2 times. Similarly, 90 degree, again 2 times, right? Sorry, it was 90 degree. For 90 degree, 30 degree also 2 times, right? This is 30 degree. After that, here 130 degree can be made, here 1, right? Apart from that it won't. So every time 2 2, But in 24 hours, how many times they will make 90 degree? It will not 48 times, it will be 44 times. You can check it. 1 hour they make 2 times, but in 24 hours, in 1 hour it makes 2 times. But in 24 hours it makes only 44 times. Okay. You can check by rotating those clocks. So here we are going to solve certain question based on it. Okay. This was theory part. Let's move towards questions. This is the question that is asked to you: at what time there will be 0 degree angle between 6 and 7 p.m. Okay. So for this type of question, there is a very simple thing that you need to remember. That is, whatever the angle 6, so 6 is where exactly opposite, right? So it makes how many degree? 180 degree, right? So 180 degree minus whatever the degree they told you, that is 0 degree. 0 degree. I told you that in how many times this 0 degree comes in 1 hour? Only one time, right? Right. So 180 minus 0 on 2 by 11. You have to do this much only. So after doing this, what it comes? 180 into 2 by 11. This is 360 by 11. 360 by 11. So you have to find, you have to solve this. After solving this, 33, 30, 22, 08. This comes out to be 3, 2. So you can write it in such a way that at 6 p.m. or at 6 p.m. 32 minutes level, level by 08 second, this will be the time, this will be the time at which the angle between both 6 and 7, between 6 and 7 is 0. Means at 6, this is clock, at 6:32 this will be overlapping somewhere. Okay, so 6 minutes 32, 6 hours 32 minutes and 8 by 11 second, you can write in this form, is the time when both will make 0 degree angle. Okay, very simple. Just what you need to do, whatever the angle it is making, 6 is what? 180. So how we calculated this? If it is 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. they ask you 90 degree. So what you have to do? 4 p.m. 4 p.m. means what? 120 degree, right? How we calculated? 12 is 0, 1 is 30, 2 is 60, 3 is 90, and 4 is 120. Okay, so 120 minus 90 on 2 by 11. Okay, after solving this, this comes out to be 30 by 30 and into 2, that is 60 by 11. 60 by 11 after solving, what it comes out to be? 60 by 11, that means 55, but and 5 is remaining. So you can write it as at what time it is 90 degree they ask you. So after 4, this is what? 5. After 4 minutes, 4 hours and 5 minutes level by 5 second, means after 4 p.m. 4 p.m. 5 minutes is the time when they will be making 90 degrees. So you can check by your own at 4 and this is 5 minutes something, so this will be exactly 90, right? This happens, hour hand is 4, right, and minute hand will be at 5. Similarly, this hour hand will be at 6, minute hand will be at 32 when they will be making 0 degree angle. This you need to solve this question. Very simple it is, just you need to understand. And we know that 90 degree, how many times it make? 2 times, right? So 2 times, so second time also you have to find out. Second time what you do? Instead of minus, now this time you have to plus. So both the time you can find out. Okay, so it depend upon the question. If they ask you find out 2, so they will give you comma comma, so you can find out. So this comes out to be what? 210 into 2 by 11, that comes out to be 420. 420 by 11, after solving you can find out the minutes. So 4 hours or 4 p.m., whatever the minute is, you can write in this form. This is the question: at what time between there will be exact 30-degree angle between 4 and 5. Okay, 30-degree angle, 4, as I told you, 4 is what, 120 degree, 30 degrees. So first case you can subtract, because whatever 0 degree is somewhere, 0 is somewhere which appear only one time, right? Similarly 180 is something that appears only one time. 90, 30, 45, all these appear two times in 1 hour. So 120 minus 30, 2 by 11, simple formula. So after applying this, what you get? You get 180 by 11. So 180 by 11 after solving. Okay, this comes out to be what? 1, 6. So 4 after 4 hours, 16 minutes, 04 by 11 means 4 hours 16 minutes and some this second, this will be exactly 30 degrees. So you can check by your own, just make 4 and this is 16 minutes approximately. So you can see that this is somewhere making exactly 30 degree. So this how you can make it. Thank you.